Okay, yesterday there was barely any snow on the grounds, but we got a good 4 inches last night. Let's go take a walk. This is a classic spring storm where it's super, super wet and also a little thicker. The waves really picked up last night too, super windy, but now the wind has died down. Honestly, it's kind of chill around here, but just beautiful. Yeah, I enjoy these days, and this snow probably not gonna last. I'll tell you that right now. It's supposed to be above freezing in the next, well, foreseeable future. But look at Glensheen. You can definitely tell this place is built for winter. Like, it just aesthetically looks almost one of its best right now. We also got a lot more beach rock from the storm. The lake kind of gives and takes sometimes. And that's Emma. She's photographing. And I'll walk you up to the bridge. I don't know if this is safe to walk on, so we're not going to go there, but I'll pause and let you look. It's pretty breathtaking. And once again, probably tomorrow, this will all be gone. Tomorrow might be an exaggeration, but probably the weekend for sure. And that's spring. And it'll be like that till May. I actually kind of hope it stays, because this winter light display we have going till the April looks best with a dusting of snow like this. You can see how windy it is. All these little pieces of the branch fell off. Oh yeah, we hit goblins, that's right. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the little walk around here in the Christmas. I mean, in the snow. Bye.